Let me tell you about the spot that everyone in New York is talking about. The place where I first saw DJ Khaled grab some serious jerk chicken. It's JamRock Jerk. If you're a fan of Jamaican food, this is where you need to be. It's a family-owned business run by a husband and wife from St. Elizabeth, Jamaica. Their story is as rich as their food. Starting small, they have grown to 20 locations across New York, with food trucks bringing the flavors to you. But let's talk about their home base right here in Queens. This spot has a laid-back outdoor area, perfect for chilling with the fam or kick back with friends. It's the place to be. And the next level, jerk chicken, jerk pork, tender oxtails. And let me tell you, the portions are huge. The prices are reasonable and the customer service is always on point. You'll get that warm, welcoming Jamaican vibe from the moment you walk in. So whether you're in Brooklyn, Manhattan, or Queens, hit up JamRock Jerk. Trust me, you won't leave hungry and you'll definitely be back for more. Do yourself a favor and find the nearest JamRock Jerk location.